If you want your videos to stand out and attract more clicks, your thumbnail is the secret weapon. And with Canva, creating eye-catching thumbnails is easier than you think. So let's walk through how you can make the best YouTube thumbnails in just a few minutes, even if you're not a designer. First, open your browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, go to the search bar at the top and type in thumbnail. This will take you straight to a wide collection of ready-made templates, everything from gaming and lifestyle to beauty, tech, and education. Take a minute to scroll through and pick one that fits your channel's vibe or the tone of your video. When you found the right one, click on Kiki. Customize this template. Canva will open its editor, and this is where the fun begins. The great thing about Canva is that it's super user-friendly. No graphic design skills required. Every element can be moved, resized, or recolored with a simple drag and drop. Now, let's focus on your text. Your title or headline needs to be bold, readable, and short. Choose a font that's clear and matches your channel's branding. Experiment with colors that pop but still look clean. Remember, you want your text to stand out even on small screens, so avoid clutter and keep your message concise yet intriguing. Next, let's personalize your image. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option called Uploads. Click on it and upload your own image, maybe a snapshot from your video or a high-quality photo that represents your content. Once it's uploaded, just drag and drop it onto your template to replace the default image. Adjust the positioning so your face or focal point isn't covered by text. Once your image and text are balanced, take a step back and review the entire thumbnail. Check that all elements work well together. The color scheme, font size, and image composition should all align with the story your video tells. Canva also lets you preview how your design will appear to viewers. Use this to make sure everything looks sharp and clear before you finalize it. When you are completely happy with your design, click Yo Download and choose a high resolution format, ideally PNG or JPG. This ensures your thumbnail looks crisp and professional across all devices. And that's it. You've just created a stunning, clickable YouTube thumbnail using Canva. No expensive software, no complicated editing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe for more quick Canva and content creation tips. Now, go make your next video shine with that perfect thumbnail.